I'm Kevin Bowen from 93.5, 107.5 The Fan, and 5 months ago, I went to We Grow Hair Indy to get my hair back. And these areas were certainly the areas that we wanted to get some more hair into, and I would say it's pretty obvious where the growth has been. I had a little runway right here. Yeah, it was like a field goal post for my old hairline, and thankfully I do not have that anymore. And just feel a lot better about my hairline. I was initially very hesitant about the process. I didn't think that was something for me. I didn't think I needed it. But then after talking with the people at We Grow Hair Indy, I could not have been more reassured, educated about the process, and just walked outside the building thinking to myself, wow, this is really something I need to listen to and go through. And I'm beyond thrilled that I ended up doing it. I have absolutely loved the results. Again, the recovery process was not very strenuous. I thought it was very smooth. Back at work right away, no issues on that front at all. And every time I look in the mirror and talk with people now, I couldn't be happier that I ended up going with We Grow Hair Indy. I would encourage people out there that, again, are around my age to kind of look forward a little bit. Think about it, 5 to 10 years down the road. That was something that I hadn't initially maybe thought of. I thought, no, I don't need to be doing any of that. But the more I thought about the future and how my receding hairline was going to continue to look and worsen, that's when I thought to myself, okay, this is something that big picture I need to think about a lot more. Cannot emphasize enough, it is a free evaluation. I've had so many friends reach out to me since I went through that process and have asked me questions, and I've simply told them, just go in for a free evaluation. The worst thing you can walk out there is whatever, you didn't get the answers that maybe you were seeking, but if you've ever had those questions, have ever had curiosity about that, the simplest thing you can do is go in. And you'll never know what you're going to hear and how you might react to that. And again, I was pretty blown away by what they told me, and initially I was hesitant, but then walking out of there based off what I heard, I felt like this is something that I definitely wanted to do, and I'm beyond thrilled that I did it.